Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we take an in-depth look at the products you're considering so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're checking out the Vacmaster UB0402, a commercial-grade vacuum cleaner that promises powerful performance with a focus on multi-surface cleaning. This vacuum combines an ultra-lightweight design with the heavy-duty capabilities you'd expect from a more industrial model. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Vacmaster UB0402 stands out with its ultra-lightweight construction, weighing in at just under 11 pounds. Whether you're carrying it up and down stairs or moving it from room to room, this vacuum won't wear you out. It offers a 14-ealer bag capacity, so you're not constantly stopping to empty it. But the real question is, how well does it clean? With its 2-speed settings, this model promises seamless switching between different floor types. It claims to tackle everything from ground-in dirt on carpets to debris on hard floors, all while offering strong suction and a few extra perks that could make cleaning more convenient. One of the features that caught my eye is the LED headlight. While it may seem like a small addition, it's a game changer when you need to clean under furniture or into those dark corners where dirt tends to hide. Speaking of reach, the 31.5-foot cord is a major plus. You won't find yourself constantly plugging and unplugging in the middle of your cleaning routine. That's a significant advantage over shorter cord vacuums, especially in larger spaces. Now let's talk performance. The Vacmaster UB0402 is equipped with 2-speed settings that give you flexibility when cleaning various surfaces. The high-speed setting is perfect for those carpets that seem to collect everything, while the low-speed setting is better suited for hard floors and delicate surfaces. The vacuum also promises powerful suction across different floor types. On carpets, it pulls up embedded dirt, and on hard floors, it collects debris without much effort. But how does it handle pet hair, which is a common pain point for many users? On pet hair, it performs surprisingly well. The vacuum's suction is consistent, pulling hair from carpets without leaving clumps behind. However, if you have a heavy shedding pet, you may need to go over areas a couple of times, especially on thicker carpets. It doesn't tangle on the brush roll, which is a relief, as pet hair can often cause issues with other vacuums. In terms of ergonomics, the lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, even though it's a more commercial-style upright vacuum. The handle is comfortable, and while the vacuum isn't as nimble as a stick model, it offers a solid balance of stability and maneuverability. The low-profile design is a definite win, letting you get under furniture without having to move heavy pieces around. When it comes to noise, this vacuum is quieter than expected for its suction power. It's not silent by any means, but it's less disruptive than some of the heavier-duty models out there. The LED headlight also adds a touch of convenience, making those otherwise dim areas suddenly accessible for cleaning. Maintenance is straightforward. The 14-LO bag holds a decent amount of dirt, meaning fewer trips to the trash can. But when it's time to change the bag, it's simple and mess-free. The filters are easy to access and clean, and the brush roll doesn't require constant maintenance, though it's always good to check for tangled hair now and then. Now, no product is without its drawbacks. The Vacmaster UB0402 is not cordless, so if you're looking for a more portable option for quick spot cleaning or handling areas like cars or stairs, you might want to consider a handheld model or a cordless vacuum. Also, though the vacuum is lightweight compared to others in its class, its upright design may not be as agile as a stick vacuum, which some users may prefer for its ease of use and flexibility in tight spaces. The build quality is solid. The plastic used feels durable, and the assembly doesn't feel flimsy. As for longevity, I expect this vacuum to hold up well over time, given its commercial-grade design. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but you're getting a vacuum designed to endure more heavy-duty use. In terms of value for money, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you have a larger space, multiple floor types, or need a vacuum that handles pet hair and heavy dirt, the Vacmaster UB0402 offers solid performance. It's not the most advanced vacuum out there, but for its price, it offers great suction power, an extended cord, and features that make it easy to use and maintain. When compared to other vacuums in its price range, it's a strong contender. However, if you don't need all that capacity or cord length, you might find more compact and cheaper models that could suit you just as well. If you're considering alternatives, vacuums like the Bissell CleanView or Shark Navigator are worth looking into. While they may not offer the same commercial build, they are lighter and come with more modern features like swivel steering and better pet hair management. The Bissell, for example, may have a similar cleaning performance, but is more agile for smaller spaces. However, neither of these alternatives matches the Vacmaster's cord length or the bag capacity. So if you have a larger area to cover, the UB0402 might be the better choice. Overall, the Vacmaster UB0402 is a solid, reliable vacuum that's especially well suited for larger homes, pet owners, and those who need a machine that can handle a mix of carpet and hard floor surfaces. It's lightweight, powerful, and easy to maintain, making it a practical choice for anyone looking for a versatile vacuum that doesn't require constant charging or upkeep. However, if you need something more maneuverable or cordless, there are alternatives out there that might better suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've used this vacuum, or if you're thinking about making the leap, drop a comment below. Let's talk about your experience or any questions you might have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews inside. Till next time, keep your floors clean and your home fresh.